Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how to make puff puff. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. In a clay bowl, I will add 1 tablespoon of yeast. I will pour in 1 cup of lukewarm water to activate the yeast. Now, I will cover and allow it to rest for 5 minutes. This is after 5 minutes of resting. I will stir it a little bit, then go ahead and sift the dry ingredient. Here is my sieve. I will add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of chili pepper. Please, if you have watched this video to this extent and you have not subscribed, please consider to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you will be notified. Now, I will use a spatula to mix all the ingredients. Then I will cover it and put inside my oven to rest for 45 minutes. This is after 45 minutes. You can see it has risen up. Now I'm going to use a spatula to mix it again. This is how your puff puff batter should look like after enough resting. For frying, I will pour in vegetable oil and allow it to heat up for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I will use my clean hand and scoop out of the puff puff batter and put inside the hot oil. I will continue until the whole pan is filled up. I will fry it until it turns golden brown on a medium heat. If you watch this video to this extent, please press that like button. Thank you as you do so. The first batch of the puff puff is ready. This is how brown it should look like. Now I'm going to take it out. I will repeat the process until I'm done with all the batter. Here, our puff is ready, looking beautiful. You can enjoy it with hot tea or warm tea or any type of juice. You can as well eat it like this. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.